just set up a room and my student logging the room.
Hello?
Yeah, hi, I can hear you.
Okay, so let's start. So my name is Luke. I'm a student, and I'm trying the VR mode of the VR simulation as a student. So yeah, and my partner is
Yeah, professor. So currently I'm using the Procto mode and I can proctor all the informations in this operation rooms and also I can change the data for the interaction part.
Okay, great. So let's start. So first, as a student, I'm gonna use the syringe and to do some operation on the patient. Then the patient is gonna have some symptoms changing on like either the face or the speed of the rising up or fall down of their chest. So let's see. First, let's grab the syringe and we come to the patient inject. So we see a menu. Then I'm gonna choose the medicine. So the first one I'm gonna choose epinephrine. Here we go.
Yeah, so currently as a proctoring, I can see you have chosen the epinephrine and you decide to use that medicine to inject into the patient. Yeah, so basically the result for that medicine is it could just bring the heart rate slowly down to a low level.
Okay. Then I guess I need to use another medicine to save him to a normal range. So then we choose neostigmine.
Yeah, here, as I can see, I think you choose the neostigmine and the effect of that medicine is it would raise the heart rate of these patients very rapidly to a very high level.
Yeah, and his face is pretty flash and it's rising. I'll speed up. Oh, it's not good. So let's get it back. The last one, we're gonna use atropine. Hope we can save him.
Yeah. Okay, now I can see you have chosen the atropine. So the atropine effect is it will just drag the heartbeat to a normal range.
Oh, it's getting better. Slow down. Great, great. We did it. So that's basically the flow of this simulation. As we can see, we keep grabbing this thing, and after injecting the patient, they just show up the panel. So what if we lose the hand and it just kind of like, disappear? We can always find the syringe at the table because once the syringe is out of your reach, you just always get back to the table. See, we just throw, let's get back. Okay, so that's a VR mode of the student view, and also the other side, the student VR view avatar on the instructor side. So let's get to the next level, the plan B, that we gonna try to use the PC, normal PC. We don't have the Oculus Rift anymore. What if the case that we don't have the headset? Then we can always use the PC stuff. Okay, let's do that.
Okay, so now the student has just left and let's wait him log in as in the computer version.
Yeah, so we came back. So this is a backup plan, the normal PC student view. Everyone without a headset, Oculus Rift, can always use this as a backup plan. but you have to install the Oculus environment setup. It's included in the package that you can always find it executable file. So let's start. So as we did before, we're gonna turn to the syringe, but here we're gonna double click. Then the animation gonna play. It's gonna pick up the syringe, and then with the key on the keyboard, D or A, to turn left or right. So that's how we turn to the patient and double click it. Then the panel gonna show up. Choose the medicine to inject, same as the VR mode. So the first one I'm gonna choose epinephrine. See what effects we have.
Yeah, so here from the proctor view, I can see you have chosen the epinephrine, and the effect of that medicines is it will just slow down the heart rate. So here I can just jump to the EKG map, and as you can see, the heart rate has been slowed down very slowly.
Okay, so we have to get these patients back, increase his heart rate. So the second syringe we're going to use the neostigmine. Always can get our patient better.
So as I can see here, you choose the neostigmine, and the effect of that is it will raise the patient's heart rate very rapidly, and from the EKG map you can see actually it will jump very rapidly.
Oh my god. Okay. Wow, it's getting quick. See his face and his chest. It's just not good. Let's use the last one, atropine. Let's see what he have.
No, so the actually will bring the patient's heart rate to a normal range. So basically, the effect would show like following.
Okay, wow. Great. It's getting better. It's getting better. It's getting normal. Okay, so that's what we have for all the setup, the VR mode and also the PC mode. So please enjoy. If you have any questions, just comment it on the lower section. We'll get back to you. Okay, thank you. Bye.